so I wanted to pick a cozy, hearty dish. Also, I could eat pasta 365, 3 meals a day.
This smells great because you're cooking with garlic and olive oil, so I'm in already.
This most important tip about the recipe is having your cherry tomatoes, because when they're halved, they cook very differently. And so you wouldn't want to throw them in whole. And if you know that going into the recipe, you can't mess it up. And as you go along the way, so you're going to throw that in there. See, you'll see.
Drop some pasta in the spaghetti pot.
There we go.
Here, I'll shush it around for you, baby.
Thank you. Oh, my God. Thank you. This is why I'm a rebel homemaker. Because I'm not like, do it just like I do. I'm like, listen, God forbid you do it like I do. You might get to this result, but you'll probably do it a lot better yourself. So then, now that you've got your pasta cooking, you're just going to start layering. A little salt, a little pepper. One of the things that I love about this dish and this
let me turn it up for you a little bit, baby. There you go.
Thank you. Is a little bit of a subliminal pandemic love letter about trusting when things go away that something else might grow in its place, and that bloom and the circle of life are really possible. And that's why I freaked out when I got your cookbook, because I just found like there were a lot of parallels in us talking about, you know,
I think of
everything that happens in life.
Yeah, our conversations, really, they're kind of mashups of essays and feelings that happen to include recipes.
And
right?
let's just stop pretending like there's a veneer. I can't take it. I'm anything but perfect. I'm incredibly flawed and goofy. And I didn't want to be on this cover like, welcome to my kitchen. I'm like, oh my God, I love food so much, and I've learned some things along the way.
In both of our books, a lot of the pictures are ours.
300 of my personal photographs are in the book.
So what are you adding here?
I'm adding
oregano?
Parsley and dried parsley, thyme, and oregano.
Nice.
Now, I'm just going to keep layering. Now, what I'm going to get into is I want to thicken this up a little bit. So I find that what I'm missing in every pasta is always the tomato paste. Whenever I cook a pasta sauce that's in any red color without tomato paste, I taste the difference. Some people feel that way about sugar. So I just go in there with a little bit of tomato paste. And now
I love.
Secret to this dish, harissa or harissa. I hear tomato, tomato, potato, potato.
Exactly. Harissa or harissa.
It's a Tunisian spice, and it's very smoky, a tiny bit spicy. I'm starting with a tablespoon.
So you could use crushed red pepper, which everybody has. Calabrian chili paste.
You love a Calabrian chili.
I love a Calabrian chili.
I think that pasta water is one of the most valuable things in the kitchen.
It is the most magical of ingredients, absolutely, and it's what you need to marry the pasta to the sauce.
Absolutely.
Oh, that looks so good.
Should I just burn it?
Oh! Come on down, big finish, big finish, big finish. Top it as you do. You want a little more extra virgin oil?
Yes.
A little extra
EVOO.
virgin oil over the top.
And that is it.
Done it!